changed. Now the wind's going a little bit that way, but he can see that.
See how he's tipping it down?
Watch this bank he's gonna do. He's gonna lay it right on its side and come right back around.
That looks like it's barely moving.
Good enough to stay in the air though, ain't it?
What, is he gonna come back around again?
He could have landed it right here.
I know he could. What, do you have to see the conditions first?
Well, he likes to take the peek. It's a good idea. See now, look, see the way the wind's going now?
Yeah.
Now it's pushing it that way.
He's like, come on, it's pushing me.
He trusts me when I told him it's coming out of the northwest.
Now it's pushing this way again.
It swirls here.
There's the noise.
He's gonna disappear. He's gonna disappear, and the next time you see him, he's gonna look like he's gonna hit those trees. He's gonna come in that tight.